Hi everybody, it's Colin from airjamaicareservations.com.jam, and we're here today to talk about getting cheap last minute flights to your travel to Jamaica. Now, we wanted to tell you that the first thing that you actually need to do is to go ahead and visit www.airjamaicareservations.com.gm. Now, we're one of the premier websites that deal with travel to Jamaica. We've got a lot of information about reservations, airlines, plane tickets, the airports that you travel to, and the travel agents as well. Now, we have one of the most intuitive hotel finders that you can go to Kingston, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Negril, Port Antonio, Clarendon, Hannibal, Manchester, Portland, all over the island. And you can find hotels, resorts, villas, self-contained flats, other resorts and spas, apartments, family hotels, beachfronts, condos, and adult-only hotels like Hedonism. And of course, you can choose to see 10 results, 20 results, 30 results, etc., and you just go ahead and say search Jamaica. And of course, there are a lot of content on our website as well as a lot of free gifts. You can win a free Carnival cruise. Just put in your name and your email address, and you could be headed off on a free Carnival cruise to Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. And of course, if you want more data, you can go ahead and click on right here. Click on our RSS feed, and you can be informed of great cheap tickets. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is that consumers always want to get the cheapest and the best deal, whichever product they go for, and flight tickets are actually no different. Now, finding extremely cheap last-minute flights is not all that difficult as you actually might think initially. Now, one of the usual ways or basic ways is to call the airline or visit us at www.airjamaicareservations.com. Go directly to our contact us page, drop us an email, and we will get back in touch with you and try and get you that cheap flight out. Now, you should make sure that you search across the net. We are definitely the number one website that will give you the best deal. You must go through all the airlines as well, and also the various sites which offer flight tickets thoroughly and patiently to get extremely cheap last minute flights. No, you should be completely ready to leave at any moment, all packed and fit as soon as you find a good deal. If you are looking to get extremely cheap last minute flights, can be too finicky. You can't be too finicky about your departure timings. You have to be able to move at the drop of a hat. Now, of course, if you follow what we have on our website step by step, there's no reason why you would not be successful in finding extremely cheap last minute flights. Now, as you get to our website, you're going to see the first thing you're going to see is a couple of links: cheap airline tickets, cheap flights to even Iceland, book 'em reservations, Caribbean travel experts, and of course, cheap luxury air travel. And you can visit any one of those links that we provide. They're from our sponsors, and you can go ahead and click on them, and you'll find really, really great deals. So, guys, we hope to see you on the inside on our website. And remember that URL: www.airjamaicareservations.com.jm. Don't forget the .jm. That's very, very important. JM stands for Jamaica. We're a fully owned and operated Jamaican website and Jamaican business that gives you cheap last minute flights directly to Jamaica. So, okay, guys. So I hope to see you on the island, and I hope to see you on our website as well.